When I removed the old shower, I capped the plumbing, but since I couldn't access the main water supply line, I had to create a dead leg, which is a run of pipework that is isolated from the regular flow. This can cause bacteria to grow, so it needed to be removed, and while I'm renovating the closet, I can access that main line and cap it off properly. I'm not very good at soldering, but I'm working at it and getting better every time. With the plumbing fixed and the floor patched up, I can move on to building the new closet. Follow along if you want to see how this closet renovation turns out.